What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carventure Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as y'all can see, man, we're doing the first drive in my 1995 Acura Legend SC. So let's get on the road. I'm actually on my way to the barber shop. So I'm in a new city. I really don't know where I'm going, so I gotta have the navigation on for a minute till we get on the freeway. I really can't wait until I start building this thing, man. I have so many plans. I'm definitely gonna be making a video revealing what are my plans, what I'm gonna be doing in the meantime and all that, my long-term plans, and just breaking it down for you guys, because you know it's a new car on the channel, the new build. So let's get into it, man. They got like a little farmer's market over here. Okay, I see him. Man, this thing drives so smooth, bro. One thing that I noticed is that this thing drives so smooth. Now y'all know, you know, the Legend that I had was not in the best condition. This one is in like great condition for its age, and I'm real excited about that. A couple of people you know, have been looking at this car, giving me props and all that. So I really can't wait until I really start building this thing, man. Like when I really start building this thing and really go crazy, like I want to see like the finished product of this car, you know. Right now it's phase 1, but you know, I got so many plans for this car and so many things that, you know, I want to do. I can't wait to get on the freeway to see how she ride on the freeway. And as I'm recording this video, y'all might notice that the speedometer don't work. The speedometer don't work because it needs a speed sensor. So I'll be getting that real soon, as a speed sensor, because the other one went out. And then when I get that, the speedometer gonna start working. So ain't no biggie. Oh, this actually looks like a nice little road to do POVs. Hold on, I might have to come back. Look at this, y'all. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but this thing looks nice. The little winds and turns and stuff like this. Hold on. This is nice. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I love scenery. Like, I'm not too much of a big outdoorsy person, but I do love scenery. This is nice, bro. Like, you looking at the hills and the windy tail. I might have to bring my Infinity through here. Really dry this thing. This thing is nice. This is so nice. And the drive, man, this thing is just floating. Not even gonna lie, this thing is just floating. For this to be a 95, boy, this thing is floating. Wow. It's crazy, man. I really done caught a blessing, y'all. Like, I still can't believe that I got this car at the price that I got, man. Like, this is crazy, man. Shout out to my boy Nick, man. Shout out to B. Shout out to the whole Legend fam, man. Shout out to my supporters out there. I really hope y'all excited out the way I'm excited, man. Even got a deck in here so I can play my music. The Bose speakers really work. These seats are really comfortable. Oh my gosh, this is nice, man. This is nice. You know, I was a little sad when I sold my old Legend. I ain't gonna lie, because that was the first one, you know, that I had got, you know, so it still holds a little special place in my heart. But at the end of the day, man, this one is way better. I know I'm gonna forget about the old Yucket later on, but oh, this is nice. Look at the water. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but man, this is nice scenery right here. I might have to come back to really dry this. This is nice. Wow. Let me slow down because I don't know where I'm going. I think we still go right here. Yeah, we going right here. The one thing that I did notice is that I know I'm gonna need some brakes and rotors. So I'm gonna have to work on that for sure. Get some rotors and brake. But everything is so smooth. Transmission shifts smooth. It rides good. Can't ask for nothing better, man. I like these. I like the windy roads. Man, I love windy roads, boy. It's perfect for the G. Not gonna lie. Really get in here, really go crazy on these roads, you feel me? I ain't trying to do too much in the Legend. Y'all know how I get, but I ain't trying to do too much in the Legend, man. We trying to keep this one nice and classy, man. Nice and classy. It's a trip though, cause I can't even see how fast I'm going. And that radar don't even work. But yeah, we gonna fix that real soon. We gonna fix that real soon. Shout out to my brother B, man. He really done held it down for me, you know, for 3 weeks. Let me use his garage while I figure all this registration stuff out. Man, I definitely appreciate you, bro. You already know how we rock it behind camera, but man, I definitely appreciate you, man. I can't say thank you enough for everything you did, for washing the car, you know, for vacuuming the seats, just doing the extra stuff, you know, putting the gas in my car, man. You know, I didn't ask him to do none of that, you know what I'm saying, besides the car in the garage. That's it. But he went out his way, you know, to do all that for me. So, you know, I really do appreciate you, bro.
Wait, tell me what to do.
First impressions, man, this thing rides really smooth. It rides really smooth. I know that I'm gonna need tires, but I'm not so worried about the tires because I'm trying to put wheels on the car as soon as possible. So I'm not too worried about the tires, but I know it needs tires. It's gonna need brakes. I felt that for sure. And then like I said in the first video, if y'all haven't watched Taking the Delivery of my Legend, y'all should go watch that. I said it has a rear main seal leak and it needs a valve cover job. And I'm also do the timing belt, cleaning of the EGR, but it all depends on what James says. If he says that, you know, because I'm gonna have him diagnose the engine, like, you know, if he's, because I learned from the last one, I ain't gonna lie, I definitely learned from the last one. But I'm gonna have him diagnose the engine before I do any work on the car. And if he say, you know, the motor's, you know, pretty good, then we're gonna do the work. If he say it's not, then we gonna just save the money and put the 3.5 in it. That's simple. But the body too clean for this car not to be working and driving. That's my main thing, is for this car to be working and driving, and I'll be able to move in it and all different type of stuff, you know, because I plan on taking this to a lot of shows this summer. Like I said, that's why I'm trying to get the wheels and, you know, do a little bit of modifications to it. But like I said, man, I'm just excited. Get on the freeway, y'all. Let's give it some gas. I don't want to give it too much gas. I don't want to go too crazy, but let's give it some gas. Let's give it some gas. Oh yeah, we in there. We in there like swimwear. Stop playing with the Legend. Stop playing with 2.0. Stop playing with 2.0, man. We in there. We on the freeway with it. Hold on. We on the freeway with it. Oh man, this thing ride smooth. This thing really rides smooth. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. We done came a long way, y'all. We came a long way. Let's go ahead and get over. Oh yeah, that's how we ride. Middle lane, shawty. I don't need that no more. But yeah, man. But first impressions, it rides very, very smooth. I feel like it can get me to point A to point B. And the car is just dope, man. The car is dope. If this is the first video you clicked on, you know, with the Legend, I suggest you go watch the take and delivery video so you can see the outside. This thing is in like great condition, bro. Like great condition. Still got the Acuralegend special edition floor mats in here. The interiors is like, the interior is spectacular. Like this is really great. I mess with it, man. I mess with it. And it's riding smooth, gliding on the freeway. I know it's shining. Shout out to my boy B again. It's shining for sure. So people know, they looking at it, they like, dang, that car look good. Yes, sir. It's me, BBS boy Reg, full effect. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are excited about the new Legend and new content. Finally. I hope you guys are excited because I'm extremely excited. I hope you guys support the whole journey of the Legend content, the G35 content, the G37 content. We're gonna keep on pushing out these bangers for sure. We're gonna get there, man. We're gonna get there for sure. But appreciate you guys for rocking with me. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.